listo.
Bueno,
Vamos.
Vámonos. Mucha nieve aquí, mira.
Loco.
Hasta la rodilla.
Nieve hasta la rodilla.
Estamos locos.
Ese es el pack. Shine.
6.000.
¿Cómo están?
6.000.
Bien.
Sí, cansado, pero bien. Todo deep snow es. Ya está Fernando. Almost at the top. Knee deep snow.
Summit. Nice view. Good.
Oh. Oh, fuck.
Está. 6.088 amigos, pues.
6.808.
La foca, mira.
Okay, bonito. From La Paz, I took a collectivo, and the collectivo dropped me off at La Cumbre. You don't see much, but from here I will start El Choro track, and it goes 3,000 meters down into the jungle. So it's a big difference in climatic zones. There'll be 2 days of hiking. So we start at the cold, cloudy, snowy mountain peak. And then we go down into the warm, moist jungle. Let's go! Not a really nice walk. My shoes are already soaking wet. And I doubt that if I can find a trail in the snow. I think I will turn back. Like there's a big layer of snow everywhere. The view is like 10 meters, 5 meters or something in front of me, so probably cannot find a trail. My shoes are really not made for this, soaking wet. So I gave up. That will probably go over the hill. So I will go back again. By the people. And there are a lot of cars now here, and they will clean the road because it's too snowy. So unexpectedly, I can start the El Choro track anyways. Tengo amigos en la montaña. It's crazy how quick the vegetation changes.
Recordando el amor que un día no supo cuidar, llorando estará, recordando el amor que un día no supo cuidar.
I just noticed that my phone has died because of all the water. It's raining all day, so I don't have a map anymore. Solution: put my phone in a bag of oatmeal. Kind of a sketchy bridge.